Hi, I'm B from Plan with Studio B16, and today we are unboxing a order I got from Planners R Us. So I got the Black and White sticker book from that planner. I'm so excited about this. Ooh. I love doing my colorful spreads, but having like black quotes and boxes and stuff. This is going to be perfect. I am doing flip throughs of all of this in separate videos. And come on. I got the goals journal. We'll box that away maybe. Believe in yourself. Can do a quick little what is your main goal for today? I am so excited about using this little thing, and again we are doing flip throughs in a different video. And the last thing I got is the Black and White vertical layout planner. And it's super neutral with thin lines, no colors anywhere. I absolutely love this. So that is the 3 little things I got in my order from Planners R Us Norway. So there will be flip through videos of each item on its own. See you next time.